Are you one of the many Audi owners that has a volume knob that doesn't work as great as it used to? Does it jump up in volume when you're trying to only go up a little bit, or maybe it goes backwards when you're trying to go forwards? If so, stick around and I'll show you how you can fix this at home, cheap, by yourself in just a few minutes. All right, so the only things you need to do this: a can of electronics cleaner and a rag. That's it. No special tools or anything like that are required to do this job. This can here, this is QD electronic cleaner by QRC. This is meant to spray on electronics without damaging them and clean them up. So that's why we're using this. I have seen people use WD-40 in the past, but this is specifically made for this job. So that's why we're using it. I will say it is a little pricey. It's $15 for this can, but that's still a lot cheaper than replacing your volume knob and potentially having to like pull your MMI console out. So gonna take this inside the car and show you how to use it. Okay, so in order to clean this, we need to remove the volume knob button. All you have to do that is literally pull it off. Once you do that, you can look in here, you can look for any debris that might be built up inside. There's a contact point in there. And down in here, you'll see there's a gear and there's an outside channel here. Use this QD spray just to spray a little bit in here to kind of break that stuff up. Use your rag to wipe down the excess. It isn't gonna damage anything on your MMI console if it sprays everywhere, so just wipe it down. And once you do that, you can spray in here if need be, push it back on, and then rotate it a good amount and let it work its way in there. And you should notice an immediate difference. This also works for any of your other buttons that you have. Your MMI button, pull that straight off. You can do the same thing in here. This is a really common place that you're gonna find dirt and debris from people spilling drinks and whatnot in here. All these buttons here around your MMI console, you can spray this in there, press the buttons to work this stuff in, and it should clear up anything that might have it gummed up. Like you can see my car button's a little gunky, so I'm gonna just spray just a little bit in here. Wipe down the excess. And I can already tell there's a difference in it. It's not one to stick as easily. So, same thing up here on your HVAC contact buttons. If you have an issue with those, which is not as common, they just pull right off. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Another fast DIY for you. A lot of you asked for this, so I hope this gets the job done for all of you. By the way, if you guys want to help out the channel, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Get the alerts so that you get notified for any new videos. Also, if you want to go a step further, in the description below, I'm going to have a set of links. A couple of those are Amazon affiliate links. If you buy anything through these Amazon affiliate links, I get a little bit of a kickback from Amazon at no extra cost to you. There's also a link to an Amazon wish list that has a list of items that I throw in there that I'm either going to use for a future video or something that will just overall help out the quality of the videos. So if you want to buy one of those and have it sent to me, that would be super, super, super appreciated. And lastly, I have a merch store that has t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, and sweatshirts, hoodies. I'm gonna put that in there. It's a new merch store. I'll put that in there. And if you guys wanna buy some gear, that's the way to do it. Have a great Christmas this weekend. If you're traveling, please be safe, and I will see you on the next video.